Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best sleeper sofas available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have DHP Sleeper Sofa. This contemporary piece is crafted with soft gray linen upholstery, tufted cushions, elevated side arms, and modern chrome metal legs for just the right finishing touch. Also sit down with friends for a coffee and a movie, lounge back to read a good book, or open up in seconds for an extra sleeping space for your guests to spend the night. The Emily is made to fit easily into small spaces, yet stunning enough to command a room and create a focal point that will get your guests talking. The modern look and design in stylish linen upholstery with chrome metal legs, also tufted backrest and seating and wide side arms. At number 5 we have Novogratz Sleeper Sofa. If you like sleek lines, mid-century looks and all the style and panache of the 1950s, then the Novogratz Palm Springs futon is perfect for you. The linen upholstery comes in your choice of mustard or navy and includes a tufted back and stitched piping that round out the impressive look, as well as a solid wood frame for the utmost in support. The tapered wooden legs add an extra bit of flair. Plus center feet ensure the sofa bed is always stable and comfortable. At number 4 we have ANONER Sleeper Sofa. The convertible sofa bed fits body curve perfectly, and the included pillow can provide better support for your low back, so you won't feel tired even seating or laying on this futon furniture for a long time. The folding mattress can be converted easily among floor, couch, chaise lounge mattress and footrest to meet your different needs. The high-density memory foam triple fold-down sofa bed is very comfy, soft with great support so you won't sink in or feel the hard floor. The sofa bed's cover coming with smooth zippers make it can be quickly removed for washing. At number 3 we have Novogratz Sleeper Sofa. It comes with a futon sofa bed, there's no more fighting with space. But with a Novogratz module pull-out bed there's no more fighting discomfort or settling on design. It conforms without swallowing your body, that supports like a hug, lets you sleep on the edge and blocks roll together. It measure up your space now and see how it fits yours. Number 2 we have DHP Sleeper Sofa. There is a hidden bed under the sofa for rest. It can be changed into a full-size sleeper sofa with minimal effort. And there are easy pull-out and push-in casters underneath the sofa. What you need to do is just to take about 3s to pull out the extra bed. It provides more convenience for sleepovers and guests to sleep at night when needed. The sectional sofa with a comfortable 6 inches thick cushioned back and firm padding. It can hold your whole body in it and brings you supreme comfort. And widened armrest will give hands a place to rest. At number 1 we have ANONER Sleeper Sofa. The convertible 2-in-1 design can achieve as a sofa or twin bed. You can sit on it to enjoy your leisure time in the daytime. As a guest bed it can provide a comfortable sleeping area for your guests at night. It saves space with convenient and practical. The sofa cushion is designed to meet different sitting postures. And this foldable sofa is comfortable for lying or sitting upright. The backrest and cushion are filled with high-density sponges so that the body can enjoy comfortable support when sitting down. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best sleeper sofas for your need.